HubSpot just dropped a number that should make every marketer stop what they're doing. Their customers saw organic traffic fall 27% year over year, and not because of algorithm changes or bad content. It's AI, and the same data shows you a way out if you move fast. So here's what happened. This week, HubSpot launched something called AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. It's a tool that helps you find where your brand stands within ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. Not Google search results, inside AI answers. And the data behind why they built this is very legit. While organic traffic is down 27%, AI referral traffic has tripled for HubSpot. And the people coming from AI answers convert 4.4 times more than people coming from regular search. Think about it. Even though the volume is lower, the intent is way higher. If someone is asking AI, give me the best CRM for a 10% team, and the AI gives a brand, they're not just browsing, they're technically already sold. This is the same shift that happened when Google launched featured snippets, except faster. Most brands don't even know if they're showing up in AI search results or not. So, what do you actually do with this information? First, go ask AI about your brand right now. Open GPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and ask about the best tools in your category and see if you show up. Most of you won't, and that's the gap. Second, start creating content that AI systems actually want to cite. Specific, opinionated, data-backed. Short, punchy paragraphs and not walls of text. Content that answers a question completely in one place. Third, LinkedIn is currently cited the most across B2B queries on all major AI engines. If you're sleeping on that LinkedIn article, this is your wake-up call. We are at that exact moment that SEO was in 2004, and people who figured that out back then built businesses that lasted decades, and AEO is that right now.